Hello everyone, welcome to Golu TV. This is Brian's Tech How-To series. In this episode, we're going to see how to install two WhatsApp applications on one mobile phone. The phone I'm using is a Galaxy S6, which has a single SIM. First thing you need to know is you have to make sure that the software is upgraded to version 7 or above, the Android version. And the rest is simple. You just need to go to settings, scroll down to lock screen and security. Inside here you need to go to the option where it says secure folder, and once you tap on the secure folder, it'll take you through a few options. Just skip them or just go ahead and click on start. You need to sign in or make a pattern or a pin code for you to log in to the secure folder. Draw your pattern or pin code, and then just wait till the setup runs its course. It should take a while. Once that is done, you will see the folders inside your secure folder, the apps inside your secure folder. Then the next step you need to do is just go to the add apps icon which you see on the top. Click on the add apps, which is the plus sign, and you can choose the download from Play Store option. If you haven't registered an account, it will ask you to register a Gmail account or a Google account, so you can do that by giving your existing or a different Gmail account. Once you have done that, you need to accept the terms and conditions and wait till it registers your email address on Google. And the rest is easy, just like you're normally installing WhatsApp. Just tap and search for WhatsApp and install the application. It's fairly simple, and I think you would know the rest of it.